My name is Dan Christian Christensen. I'm a project leader in the Aarhus Municipality, and I'm responsible for our Living Lab coordination, the FoodCLIC project. The name of the project is FoodCLIC. It's a project funded by the European Union in the Horizon Europe program. As part of FoodCLIC, we are a Living Lab in Aarhus with the partners in the Living Lab being Aarhus University with the researchers, and we are the Living Lab coordinators as Aarhus Municipality. Hopefully we contribute to improving the food system through FoodCLIC by having more capacity to link different stakeholders together, also doing some of these real-life interventions, hopefully also something that will spark some changes. We naturally encounter sort of the complexity of linking together different areas of policy, many different people working with their own specific agendas and so on. That is a huge challenge and a huge obstacle for this more holistic transformation of the food system. But in terms to make influence on the food system, you need to sort of address things more on a cross-cutting level. So that is the biggest obstacle, creating these sort of rooms, these sort of situations where you can create coordination between multiple agendas at the same time. We have a close collaboration with Aarhus University, the Department of Food. They are sort of the Living Lab researchers in the project, and we are the Living Lab coordinators. So we have a very tight, very close relationship and coordination and collaboration with them. Then also with the other Living Labs, we have sort of ongoing interactions with them to learn and to exchange ideas. So on, that's also a close collaboration and good partners. And then we have the community that we have been allowed to at least develop and further sort of strengthen in Aarhus with all these different stakeholders in the food ecosystem. That's also close connections, collaborators that we build up more knowledge about what are the priorities, what are the ambitions, what are the initiatives that people have, and help them sort of align that with what we are doing as a municipality. So we collaborate quite broadly with the community that we have here in our context. There's a lot of advice that could sort of be relevant for people wanting to work with food system transformations, but from my perspective, sort of working in a public entity or with public administration, it would be to sort of be quite patient, be on the lookout for opportunities to introduce food into other policy arenas, being curious on how can you actually create value by introducing your perspective to other people, to other subject areas, because that's when you sort of create the value and also get traction on your own sort of ambitions to further the transformation of the food system.